Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this short tutorial, I'll teach you how to fix time zone cannot be set manually due to device restrictions. So let's get started the video without any delay. First of all, you need to close this app and then go back to the settings menu on your iOS device. Then scroll down and tap on screen time. On the next page, scroll all the way down and tap on change screen time passcode. Next, you need to tap on turn off screen time passcode at the bottom of screen. Now enter screen time passcode. After turning off screen time, now go back to the date and time menu and see if your problem is resolved or not. So you can see that time zone cannot be set manually due to device restrictions. Problem has been solved. Like our video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.